Langley and Colby are celebrating Easter by having their first family get-together in their new home that they bought in December of 2022.
Is that Skyland? That's Skyland?
Is that weird?
Who has you? Lakeland have you? Uncle Lakeland have you? We brought you with us.
Nice of you to wake up for us.
What? No comment?
Yeah.
Well, Lakeland said that. Sent a video, and I said, I'm so glad I could think of it.
You already told her.
3 months over here. In the group chat.
Oh. So Blaire is showing me Daisy and Donald. Who else? Who is this? Pluto? Who is this? That's Pluto. That's Goofy. Who's this? Yes, it is. And who's that? Yeah? And Daisy and Donald. Thank you. So Langley painted this wall.
Look at those.
Oh, are you going to show Tom what you got?
Those are cool.
Wow. You going to show Tom? Wow.
That's cool.
Langley actually got that for $15. It's in great condition.
Those are neat. What's he
So, office slash playroom. And Blaire's room. And lots of little cows. Langley loves her cows. And she painted the inside of her closet pink. And it might be hard to tell, but it's actually sparkle paint, so you can actually kind of see the glitter. And guest bathroom with lots of Blaire toys. And oh my gosh, this is Blaire's. She loves her Minnie Mouse potty seat. Isn't that convenient, the little hook? Hi, Tink. Haven't seen you in a while. Hi, Riley. So, they had the fence installed for dogs to have some playtime outside. And Langley's little chicken coop is all made, and her chicks are getting so big. Look how big they're getting. Alright, and then Blaire's play area. They're going to end up, I forgot what she said, mulch or whatever she's going to do inside this.
Open up! Open up!
And my nephew is playing with my niece's foster daughter. Langley actually painted the outside of this Blaire's place. Is that so fun? Is this so fun, Blaire? Lord, the dogs have been let out of the fence to play.
No more.
Goodness gracious. Happy Easter, everyone. Look at her. No fear. She's gonna climb up there. Up. Yeah. You can do it. Look at her. That little strong 18-month-old. Wow. Good job, Blaire. Notice how both dogs are right there by the grill. Oh, are you three working on your suntan?
I don't take it seriously.
Getting an early tan? Is this your new friend?
55 is coming home with us.
I don't know that Langley would okay that. What is under there, Riley?
I don't know. She's a dog.
Oh, the chickens are out. The chickens are out.
One second. I'll be out first. One second. Okay.
Yeah.
Good job, Blaire.
Oh, no, it's right there.
Good job, Blaire.
It's all
Yay!
over the yard. Yeah.
It's everywhere. Hey, it's fertilizer.
No, again. You gotta
Good
get
girl.
Get back here and throw it. Now throw it.
Yay!
Now it's time to go hunt for some eggs.
Go get it. Oh. You want Grandiva help? Okay. There you go. Put it in your basket. That's a good girl. Yay! Go find some more. What is that? What? It opened up. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Oh no.
Look in your swing. Hey, do you see one in the swing?
Right here, Blaire. Is it here? You gonna get it? You can do it. You want Grandiva help? There you go. Go show Daddy.
Hey, look.
Harper, look.
What?
Go that way.
Look Whoa. The landlord.
She's looking in the wrong place.
Look, baby. You see one? Do you see it? Good girl.
That's a pretty one.
Wow, good job, Blaire.
Do I bounce it?
Doesn't matter.
Put one on.
That was my Pepsi.
What's that prize?
Get it? It goes in your Pepsi.
This side of the door.
Yeah, is that like
Right here.
the big cups of
You have to go like this. Oh.
I was trying to get crazy with it. I was like, well, we did one cup, but like
I'm blaming the cheap
$3 or something.
That's okay.
Does
What's our
that
name?
This
The cheap
sucks.
ping pong ball. Look,
It's
you're
so-
lucky we have a ping pong ball.
It's like super
We had to search in our house for that one.
Oh,
I think the older people should go first to get coached.
and I missed that. Can you redo that? No. Oh my gosh, you got it right. That was no fun. Jeez.
Might be professional.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Braiden.
Braiden's 21st birthday was April 6th, but we celebrated today.
We're trying to take pictures with Blaire, and she keeps putting the Play-Doh down her shirt. Cheese! Cheese! Baby.
You look like an actual grown man.
Oh, thank you.
Actual.
I mean, like,
I'm gonna find a picture.
Nope, that's not.
not very triple A.
All right. Hope everyone had a very blessed Easter. And until the next vlog.
Lakeland told Langley that he wanted Winston, the little dog, for his own. And Langley was like, huh, you'd bring him back in 3 days. And Lakeland was like, I bet I wouldn't. So we're taking Winston home with us. We'll see how it goes. He's got to meet Dale first.
Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Yeah. Say hi. Oh. No. Is that a playmate?
There you go. See, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to a run.